Build-A-Bear's here. Do you know when he turns one on his birthday? You bring him on his birthday, he gets a Build-A-Bear for $1.
Oh, for real? Huh. Yeah. You know where we going? We turn 1. Gonna go get you a Build-A-Bear, man. So we walking down I Drive, which stands for International Drive in Orlando, for those of you who didn't know. And it's far. It's not just this little strip. It goes up and down. It's just one part of it, but it got all the lights and stuff and attractions.
You have a good night.
Right.
We're looking at the people over there in the middle of the thing. See a little person?
Yeah.
Are you coming back down? There you go, Kate.
Right.